All right, Marek, let's go ahead and begin. I just want to start off by saying that your body position in the water looks good. Your hips are on top. There's just a couple of minor things. Mainly the biggest thing that's going to save you the most time if you can do the drills is improving your overall power that you're generating in the water using paddles and also practicing early vertical forearm catch. And so that's going to be the biggest ones. But we'll look at you from a different couple of angles. So here we go. There you are from the side. I'm going to slow it here just for a little bit right here. I want you to see what you do at the wrist. See how you bend your wrist? There should be a complete level plane from your hand to your elbow. But there you bend it. When you do that, you're losing a lot of power. And so you can see your hips are pretty good on top of the water. If you notice your kick, you're not really kicking from your hip flexors. You're kicking from your knees. That's just a minor thing, but here we go. We're going to slow it down again. I want you to notice how straight you keep your arm. Notice the bubbles going down. So you're really not generating any propulsion forward, but it is lifting you up. So you could be generating a lot more power. And there you are again. Straight arm. You want to get more bend in that elbow. Again, early vertical forearm catch is going to be key. A lot of paddle work to improve your overall power. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at you from the front. Here you go. Let's go ahead and slow it down. Slight bend on the right, but I want you to look at the left. I'm going to slow it down again now. Your left hand enters a lot more straighter than on the right. So you're sacrificing some power. And so here's what we were talking about the other day with the core. I want you to see what you're doing from up top. I'm going to slow it down right here. And I want you to see you're going to kick your right foot out because you're trying to balance yourself. It's a tripod action. Your left arm comes in a little bit off. And your core is not engaged. So if you remember when we were at the pool, I was talking to you about engaging your core. Basically just making your belly button touch your spine. So the entire time that you're swimming, your core is rigid, it's engaged, so that when you're swimming, you don't have that tripod look like we just saw. Instead, you're like a canoe or a kayak. You're just straight and long in the water. So look at your arms here. Now, overall, you look good. Most triathletes struggle with hips sinking, but you don't really seem to be struggling with that at all. Overall, really good.